What if you could enjoy the conveniences of core Pune city with the added benefit of nature and beauty?
Hi, my name is Tanika Nirmal, and I'm going to introduce you all to Kohinoor Woodshire, where urban convenience meets natural beauty.
Pune is growing rapidly and Bhugao is a perfect blend of both, offering serene environment while still keeping you connected to Pune's vibrant energy. The upcoming Ring Road project in Pune is set to be a game changer,
And it is going to be just 15 minutes away from this property.
making it easily accessible and strategically located. Now let's go see the show flat while I tell you more about this location. This place has all the facilities to pamper the soul of king and queen within all of us. It has all the amenities to make you a happy, healthy, and a satisfied person. What else does a person need to be happy in Pune? A property close to a center like Chandni Chowk. That's right.
Woodshire is just 10 minutes away from Chandni Chowk.
Also, what's better than a place that is so close to your office that you feel like you're always around your property? Wait, what will you do on weekends? Go to a mall or a restaurant to relax and have fun, right?
Well, Woodshire has some lavish malls and amazing restaurants just a few minutes away to make your weekend effortlessly enjoyable.
Would you like to go on a movie date? Well, why not if it is so close to your property, right? And then have a nice dessert after that. Well, everything is available in your close proximity.
At Woodshire, you're never far from a refreshing escape. Whether it's the Shireen Yoshi Dam or Lavasa City, every perfect getaway is within reach.
Those were the ones that make you happy and relaxed. Now let's look at the news.
Woodshire has a well equipped healthcare facility nearby that will contribute to a sustainable living.
It has schools with advanced educational technology and atmosphere that your kid will be excited to go to every single day. And you know what the best part is? The kid doesn't even have to leave the area after finishing school. Some of the best colleges are available just nearby.
From a peaceful walk in nature to an exciting movie day, from an advanced educational facility to an advanced healthcare facility, you name it and we have it. That too so close from Kothur. Kohinoor Woodshire. Everything you desire, closer than ever. Register today to make it yours.